Hey guys, how's it going? I'm really tired because was 2 in the morning, so I don't get to sleep. When I open up the computer and I open up my email, there is an email from YouTube that says I'm now be as a YouTube partner, and like wow, thanks very much. And I know I don't have a AdSense account, but my father want to make the AdSense account for me, so that my account want to be larger and grower and have money and like that stuff. I really want to be a YouTube partner from the first time I YouTubing, and I know the viral video. So stay tuned and subscribe for more video. You guys are helping me out to be a YouTube partner. So yeah, bye, peace out.